Man, what's good, YouTube, man? It's Corey Ratcliffe, and you're tuning in to Core, the Phone Trader channel, and we back with another banger. As you guys can see, man, we got a clean, fresh cut. Yeah, man, we looking all right now, man. We look like Werewolf and Bigfoot out here, the hairy man. Yeah, we look clean cut now. Nevertheless, we took some trades today, man. I'm just gonna keep this self-explanatory. Gonna be a short video. I was looking for buys. My bias was buys, and boy, did the market hit bias today, man. It just, I got caught up in Chop City, chopped and screwed everywhere until it finally took off. And I finally got a profit. One account is up and one account is down. So let's switch. All right, so micro NASDAQ on a 4-hour time frame. As you guys can see, we just been chopping in this range right here. I tried to capitalize on knowing that the market was going to come down to this white line. This is a support and resistance line right here. So knowing that the market is going to come back to this line, I was looking for buys and only buys. My problem is I keep trying to guess what the market is getting ready to do. I need to just trade what the market is giving me right now. I knew that the market was going to go up because, I mean, look what previously happened. So my problem is I keep trying to go ahead of the market, whereas the market is showing me support and resistance. When this market get down here to this white line, then get in position, rather than, hey, I know it's getting ready to come down, let me go ahead and get in for sales now. And that ain't what the market is giving me. Then it go against me and then it finally come down. Finna change some stuff, man. Nevertheless, still within my trading plan, but I'm just taking a different approach. But I told you I'm gonna keep my foot on that gas pedal, fast and furious, baby. So nevertheless, it's all good, man. We took a L on account 43, but we won on account 47. Both of them are funded accounts. So that's what I was looking for today. So I'm gonna go to a lower time frame. We took some trades last night because I was looking for the market to bounce, and it just didn't bounce, man. I think also because I was trading gold on Asian and London session. I noticed that I get chopped and screwed so bad in London here lately. That's because I was trading gold. You know, in the spring markets, I was doing good in Asian and London session with gold. I never did it with NASDAQ. So my problem is now I'm trying to take that same mentality from gold to NASDAQ. Sometime it play out, sometime it don't. But NASDAQ really moves during New York session. Sometimes you get, you know what I'm saying, really good chances of the market moving in London and Asia. You know what I'm saying? But normally it don't move like that until New York session. So I gotta switch back to my bias when I'm trading NASDAQ to only trade New York session. So I will no longer be taking NASDAQ trades at Asia and London, because here lately I've been officially chopped and screwed a lot. So all these trades were last night, as you guys can see, 8 p.m. of last night. And then I finally took another trade thinking that it was going to pop out of this flag, and then it went against me, and then it finally took off. And when it finally took off, that's when I came over here and took that trade. So that's all I was doing, man. I was just, if we go back to the 4-hour time frame again, that's all I was looking for, man. I was just looking for a bounce off this support and resistance. And as you guys can see, boy, that market did jump up there, man. But I tried to get in at a good spot last night thinking that it was going to jump off. And, you know, that's how NASDAQ do. Right when you think it is going to do it, it don't do it. And then, you know what I'm saying, it'll finally do it. But I noticed that this move finally didn't happen until New York session. So I'm going to stick with New York session only when it comes to NASDAQ. No longer overnight in London session, man. So it is what it is. It's all good, man. As you guys can see, we took some trades, man. We took about 3 or 4 trades last night. I didn't like it. I think I was in like a $200 loss after all this. And then I took another trade this morning, another $200 loss. And so that makes the account we lost today $405.10. So we are down in this account. Friday we were down only 100. Today we're down 400, a total of $500. You know what? I can get that back. I'm just gonna wait for the right setup. I'm gonna continue to trade like I'm doing, because that same mindset that I wanted to trade and buys, it worked on this one. Just didn't work on this one, but it's all good, man. So this account is down, but finally the trade that I was looking for ended up happening, man, during New York session, of course. So I'm gonna draw this line right here. Actually, let me go over here. So the market went past this area right here. It broke structure. So every time we break structure, it leaves gaps. And so that's where supply and demand comes in for me. When it keeps breaking structure to the upside, it's going to leave gaps behind. So I'm trying to get in where some of those gaps get filled and it weaks my area, and I want it to continue in a buy. I wanted to continue in buys. So this was my trade that I took. So we broke structure right here. This area right here broke that structure. So you know what? It left buys. So this line right here, guys. Oh, shucks. Somewhere in there, I don't know. But this right here. This white, I'll change that to blue. So this was a beautiful supply and demand area, because this area broke this structure. So as it was going to the upside, this blue line right here, it left gaps. So I wanted to wait and make sure, because, you know what I'm saying, it is, you know what I'm saying, early in the morning. But, you know what I'm saying, there was London session, so I'm just going to completely wait for New York. Because I'm starting to like New York Open, guys. New York Open really moves. And I could get in, you know what I'm saying, on a lower time frame when it comes to supply and demand. I could get in, you know what I'm saying, when the market is freshly open. I just feel comfortable like that. You know what I'm saying? I love a very volatile market. I like that. I'm like the fast and furious guy. I love fast market, man. It's just me. You know what I'm saying? I love it. Some people don't, but I do. So the move that I caught, you know what I'm saying, this yellow candle where you see that blue arrow at, that didn't work because it went against me. I took another one. It didn't work. I took another one. It didn't work. So I finally got in for about the third or fourth time. So this was like 3 to 4 trades. And then 3 to 4 before it finally took off. I'm like, man, when New York session came, this is what I'm learning. When New York session came, it did what I wanted to do. Now, the crazy thing is, my analysis was right. I just got in way too early. I got in so many trades over here. I got in so many trades over here. But when New York session hit, it finally hit like I want to. It's like, I might as well just wait for New York session, man. So you see that the market hit right there, and then I wanted to, well, I ended up getting in, lose, and then I found another break of structure. I'm going to draw this line right here. So we ended up getting another break of structure. We broke this by this, we broke this by this, and guess what? It left us this yellow candle right here. It left a long area to be filled. As you guys can see, it wicked it like how many times? 1, 2, 3 times. It wicked that same area. So I felt confident. I was like, you know what? I'm going to get in on as the market is getting ready to go up. So I ended up getting in somewhere down here, man. I waited. As you guys can see, I took another trade and then took another trade, and then that didn't play out. So then I finally took the last one as it was going up, man. And I ended up getting out up here at this candle. So it ended up playing out right. It just took so many tries, man, when I should have just waited for New York session. But I'm learning not to trade, you know what I'm saying, NASDAQ doing overnight. You know what I'm saying? It works for some people. It just don't work for me. I like a market that's moving a whole lot. I can capitalize. But yeah, we ended up hitting a 1 to 2 on this trade, man. Finally, supply and demand came through after waiting for New York session. So we ended up hitting a 1 to 2. And on this account, we made $228.20. So we officially have 1 day of $100 or more to get a payout. This one I think is on 3. I'm not for sure. I have to go back and look. But we're down in this account, but we plan on bringing this back. I'm not tripping. It's only a $400 loss. That means we got $1,600 to play with. That's more than enough. So I'll continue to say that we're going to we're going to continue to take $200 to $250 trades. I could take, $100 trades, but I'm pushing it over the hump, man. I'm pushing it over the bridge. I'm gonna continue to be aggressive, because by me being aggressive, it worked in this account, but it didn't work in this. So we're gonna make the minor changes and not trade in Asian and London session, and just wait till New York, man, and then our trades will come. Man, it's all good, man. We're gonna come back better tomorrow, y'all. So overall, not a bad day, man. Lost in one, won in one, man. We just gonna keep it going. We're gonna keep it moving. It is what it is, man. We have some big news tomorrow. I'm really trying to grab big profits tomorrow. I know these are funded accounts, but I've been doing a lot of back testing. I'm going to wait until the market is going to move the way it wants to move tomorrow. CPI news is huge tomorrow. So I'm just going to find me a good spot to where it's either going to push up so far, and then it's going to come all the way and retrace that same move, or it's going to go down and find a spot where it's going to consolidate and then start to push its way back up, making up that whole move. I bet you NASDAQ can get ready to do that tomorrow, because it seems like that's always happening with huge news. So we're just going to find a good spot. We're going to go on a higher time frame where it can be blocked, or creating a consolidation and then go in on that consolidation to the upside, or it might come up, it might go up so far, and then I'm gonna try to find a consolidation area to where it's gonna retrace to grab some of the move and continue in the area. It's gonna go either up or down. I'm just gonna find a good spot and we're gonna get in, and we're gonna try to gain. We're gonna try to definitely make our money back in the account. 43 that we lost. We're down $500. We're gonna try to grab all that back and some profits, and then I'm gonna try to push this other account to a good amount tomorrow, man. We will see. CPI news is huge tomorrow, man. We're gonna try to push this thing over. I'm gonna try to grab big profits. I'm gonna wait until New York session. I'm gonna watch when news hit, but I'm going to wait to get in. I'm not going to get in real fast, man. We'll just see, man. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you click that notification bell for more videos and bangers. Corey, the Phone Trader guy, coming out, man. That's all I got for y'all today. We made profit in one, lost in one. But, hey, we're going to come back tomorrow and do the same thing, man. Going to try to make some profits to get a payout, baby. Love y'all, man. Thank you for the support. Appreciate you guys watching. And you know the motto after every video in 3, 2, I can't even count. 3, 2, 1. I holla. Peace out, baby. Check y'all out next time. See you tomorrow. Peace.